Hey, I'm Jamie. Let me show how to manage your income and expenses through our accounting tool. In Apps, Accounting, you will find 4 quadrants. This first one is where you can add a record of your bank account or accounts. Then create income and expense categories. You will use these accounts and categories in the quadrant below. This is where you will find and create your accounting journal. The top right quadrant is where you can see all of your invoices, quotes, and purchase orders in one place. Use this button to expand the quadrant to fit the whole area. View all of your SKUs using the Invoice SKUs button. Here you can also add individual SKUs or import them en masse. The last quadrant is where you will find the reporting for the various payments made to your account. Here you will find a chart for your profit and loss. Use the Report button to show the full reporting for all payments made to the account. Be sure to check out the Help section for more information on this and various other topics.